Hey, you're doing amazing. I can't believe it. You've been in here for a while, too.
Don't mind me, I'm watching a video of another YouTuber, let's just put it.
Oh, boy. Olive. You got squirmy? Did you get him? Did you catch him? You're good at this. I think she's done. We're going to have to dry her off. Okay? We're going to dry you off? Yeah? Let me get the towel, okay? Did you enjoy hers?
Place. You made it. Is that good?
You were the last to see the president alive.
Welcome to the pit.
Light him up now!
A crew of pirates is coming.
That was cool.
Disney Plus Hulu Max bundle. Find starting at $16.99 a month.
So today we're going to try making some other little cat treats for these guys. So we're going to do tuna and pumpkin. So our ingredients today are a can of tuna, and we've got some pumpkin puree. So in here, all it is pumpkin puree and water. We've got some flour, so just regular all-purpose
This looks like they're getting tired.
We've got
So I'm gonna end the video here.